Hello guys, Alice here. Welcome back to another episode on trade ideas. In this video, I'm going to go back to the crypto territory covering the Ethereum USDT. So without further ado, let's get to it and see what are the potential setups and scenarios for Ethereum. Okay guys, this is the 5-minute chart of the Ethereum USDT. I'm trading on the Binance platform. That's why I'm checking the Binance future chart. If you're using a different exchange, make sure you check the chart for that particular exchange. So if you look here, Ethereum was rising. It rose all the way to 2,139. Okay, it dropped back to almost 1,900. Okay, around 1,900. So what we have here is a rally-based rally. Okay, rally-based rally. And the volume around here is so thick, it's huge. Okay, that's why I highlighted this area. I had a stacked imbalance along with lots of volume. So what happened on the 14th of November, price dropped back here. I remember this trade exactly because this was the trade I took last week, and you could see the market dropped all the way down to here, and there was a quick reaction back to the up. So the market reacted here and quickly went back up. So it was a great trade. And the second reaction happened on the 17th of November, and the third reaction here. So this area is interesting to the buyer. Every time the price drops to this location, buyers come in and they take the price higher. So I'm going to closely monitor this area, wait for the price to drop here, and if clues were to show themselves, I would take a long trade from here. Okay, so look here. On the 16th of November, the volume profile is shown, and if you've seen my previous videos, you should know that the value area is this gray shaded area, and this is the POC. I highlight the POC, so I wait for the market to reach to this level. Once it does reach this level, I will check for the clues to take a short trade. Okay, so this is only the monitoring level for me at this point. I will wait for the price to get here. If I see clues, what are those clues? I've mentioned them in previous videos, like the lack of buying, initiative selling. We could have big limit orders here, and there are other signs, delta divergence. Okay, many signs that could basically tell us that the market is going to drop from this point. Okay, so and also I have a stacked imbalance here. This was the low, this movement to the downside broke through the low, so I'm just going to be monitoring this area closely and wait for the market to give me clues anywhere around this area. Okay, so in terms of a sell trade, we have this area. In terms of a long, we have this area. Okay, and you could take another trade around this location also, because you can see the market dropped here, reacted to this one, went back up, reacted to this one, went back up. So this is another interesting area to closely monitor. So we have two areas to monitor for a buy trade and one area for a short trade. That's it. So that's it guys for this video. I hope it was informative and you enjoyed it. Make sure you subscribe and stay tuned for more videos.